Hi guys. So I came over this Temu. I have been searching for a ScreenBar for my computer. A cheap one, of course, because this is tech reviewed. And I found this to a light source monitor lamp with remote. That's exactly what I wanted. So you know, there's the famous BenQ, I think is the most popular. It goes for like $50, something like that. And I got this for $20. Yeah, so we'll open it up and see if it is a good product. So packaging is quite bad, cheap plastic, stuff falling out. You get the USB cable, USB-C, that's good. There are some batteries, so they send you batteries, and you got oh yeah, you got, what do you get? The holder for the screen product. This is very heavy, feels quite good actually. And then you have actual screen bar. Okay. Maybe it has lights upwards as well. I didn't remember that. So it goes between 3,100 Kelvin and 6,400 Kelvin. What else do you get? You get the remote. Plastic. Touch. No physical button, so it's touch. So yeah, the battery switch there. And that's it. That's all. So let's hook it up. Probably just how do you do it? Push it in place. Click with the USB port right there. Then you just hook it on the screen, I guess. It's not very compatible with my screen. Okay, something like that. What did you say? We get light. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, so let's test the remote. Let's test the remote. This is very good light. Nice and bright. Batteries. Okay. You get some response from. This is quite smart for the price. Oh. So it's in steps, the dim, as you can see. Look at that. So only back, right? Cool. You can have switch. Long press, turn it off. Long press, turn it on. Switch between white and yellow. Dim down. And up and up and up. Maximum. Turn on back light. Like that. Okay, that was it. So, yeah, I love it. Good product. Would absolutely recommend. Thanks.